Good morning, Joel Engelhardt with ProTech Sno Pushers here at the SIMA 2018 Snow and Ice Symposium. Thank you very much for registering to see the new preview of our Fusion Edge Sno Pusher. Our Fusion Edge Sno Pusher is exactly what it sounds like. It's the best of both worlds. We have a high-end abrasion-resistant steel that's fused directly into the rubber cutting edge, giving you the ability to both squeegee wet snow as well as scrape hard-packed surfaces. The edge can be flipped, giving the customers twice the wear life. During testing, this typical edge ran from 350 to 500 hours. You'll also notice that this edge is no longer slotted, it's direct punched, meaning that there's no adjustment of the rubber cutting edge. Your cutting edge level is now adjusted directly with the shoe. You can make adjustments within seconds. You simply pull this pin, set the shoe to the proper level, and reset the pin, giving you back valuable time that you need to serve your customers. Every Fusion Sno Pusher is equipped with a ProFlow coupler, where we offer everything from post mount. This is a JRB 416. We offer 418 Fusions, Cat ITs, meaning you're no longer married to your snow pusher. When your equipment changes, you can simply unbolt your coupler and swap it out for a new one. You also notice that this coupler has the ability to float, meaning you can set it in the center and allow the pusher to contour the ground or move it to the down position for scraping hard pack. Be sure to stop by our booth for more information. Thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you'll be notified when the latest videos come out. You can also click the link down in the video description to be taken to snowpusher.com, where you can see our full product line, find your local dealer, and find other valuable information. As always, thanks for using ProTech.